In this Excel tutorial, we are gonna cover VLOOKUP function. So VLOOKUP function is one of the most important and frequently used functions in Excel. So it's mandatory to know for everyone working in Excel or any field related to data. The VLOOKUP function stands for vertical lookup. That means the table should be in vertical format. It looks for a value in the leftmost column of the table and then returns a value in the same row from another column you specify. That means, for example, if I have this table, I want to search part number for in this table and print the part price. So I will apply lookup function into it. So how we will be applying? Uh, as I told you in the previous tutorials, we start the formula with equals to sign in Excel. We will be typing our function. I'll be pressing tab here to take it. Now we lookup value. So we lookup value is the value which we are going to search. So this is the part number which we are going to search. Now table array. So a table array means we will be selecting this table. Now the table format will be we will be starting the table array from this lookup value. So that means part number will be the first column. That means the leftmost column we will be searching. And we want part price. That means we will be selecting the table array from part number, which is the lookup value, to part price which we want to search. Right? I will be selecting this array, complete table, then column index number. So part price is at which column number? So this is 3. Part number is 1, part name is 2, and part price is 3. Now uh, either we want approximate match or do we want exact match? So we want exact match. I will be pressing tab to select it, close, and press enter. Now if you see, for A007 it is 65.99 price, which it has printed. Now I will be dragging this cell to below 3 cells to copy the formula, and if you see, it has printed me the price. So A018, which is this one, and the price is 84.57, which it has printed very clearly, right? So this is how VLOOKUP function works. Now in case if I have this main table array in one sheet and I want to this kind of table is in my different sheet, then I will have to apply the lookup on different sheets. Then how will I apply that? So I will be going here. I have this table and this table here. This table is part name and status name. Status is like here. I want to search part name and I want to look up whether my its status, whether it is in stock or not. And if you see, we have part number here, but we don't have a status, so we cannot look up here in the same sheet. So what we will do, we will look up in previous sheets table. So I will be writing here the formula equals to VLOOKUP, then lookup value is oil paint, this part name, then table array. Table array is the array which I need to check for, in which we are searching for the value. So here the table array will be this one, part name to status, because we are searching for part name and we want to print status. So we will be selecting from part name to status, and I will be selecting this complete array. Then here only we can complete the formula. Column index number, we are searching for status, which is the column number 3 in our selection. Then we want approximate match or exact match. We want exact match. I will be pressing tab, close the bracket, and press enter. See, it has printed me oil pen is out of stock. We can drag this down to fill our values. So let's see whether oil paint is available or not. mm, filter. Here I will be searching for oil pen and oil pen. This is out of stock. Why? Because this oil pen is at the second position, which is in stock, and this is in caps letter. And in oil pen, it finds at the first position, first place. It found out of stock. So if it found very first value it found finds, prints it. So that means this oil pen is found at first, so it prints the first value. Then fuel filter, let us see. Fuel filter is in stock, so it has printed this one. Let's see for piston, which is out of stock, right? Now let me just go here, and if I search for oil pen again, and let me just change it to in stock. What will happen? It will change to in stock automatically, right? Without any manual intervention here. So we only apply the formula at the first time, but but further when any of the thing changes in our main table or the table array, it will get reflected automatically further. So this is how VLOOKUP works. See you in the next tutorial. We will be covering one of again the one of the most important functions in Excel, right? See you.